Very useful tips. I managed to get to 5%. Follow the exact instructions. Thank you Madhel TV.
Nababahala ka ba dahil ang withholding tax mo ay 30% pa din? Kung sa bagay mataas pa din ito sa ating inaasahan. Paano ito maging 15%? Tara, gawin nating 15% ang WHT mo tulad nitong WHT info ko. Una, pumunta tayo sa Google AdSense account natin. Pwede nating i-click ang payments. Ganito ang resulta. Ginawa ko lang shortcut at heto nang nasa taas ang pinindot ko, ang Manage Tax Info. Makikita nyo na approve na ako, highlighted na ng green. Pero I was just worried about my WHT rates. Dahil ang motion picture is 30%, other copyright default is 30%, services default is 30% also. Kung isusumo total mo, masakit pa din sa mata. Kaya, what we have to do is to submit new form. Click it. Take note guys na kapag nag-submit tayo ng new form, our previous form will be removed. Click natin itong Start New Form. Same as before, makikita natin dyan na kailangan natin ulit mag-sign in na assurance na ikaw talaga ang may-ari ng Google AdSense. Kapag nakapag-sign in ka na, heto na ang lalabas, ang United States Tax Info. Piliin natin ang individual. Tsaka, next na din natin para makapag-proceed tayo sa susunod na proseso. Makikita natin na ang question is, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? Siyempre ang sagot natin dyan is no. Click the next and this will be the result. Select W8 tax form type. Piliin natin ang W8 BEN. Then click the Start W8 BEN form. Nakalagay dyan is name of individual. We need to fill up this. Next is fill upan din natin itong country of citizenship. Piliin natin kung saang country tayo. Ang country is based kung saan naka-address ang iyong Google AdSense. Next is itong foreign TIN. Kung ikaw is may UMID ID or may TIN ID, pwede mong i-enter dito. Blue highlighted na ang tax identity natin. Ibig sabihin, proceed na tayo sa address. Huwag natin kalilimutang i-check ito, ang permanent resident address. Then, fill up all details. Then, i-check natin ang mailing address at mag-next na tayo para sa tax treaty. Let's proceed to the number 3, ang tax treaty. May tanong diyan, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Yes. Yes ang isagot natin. Then, i-check natin tong resident of country claiming treaty with the US. Dagdagan ulit natin ang country. Kung ano yung nilagay mong country is ganun pa din, Philippines. Third is itong special rates and conditions. I-check natin itong box, services, AdSense. Punta tayo dito sa article and paragraph at withholding rate. Dapat ang article and paragraph ng services is article 8 and paragraph 1 at ang withholding rate is 0% reduced rate. Huwag nating kalimutang i-check ang box na ito. Let's proceed to the motion picture and TV. Ganun pa rin, article and paragraph. Piliin ang article 13 and paragraph 2A and 15% reduced rate. After all, huwag nating kalilimutang i-check ang box, then proceed to the other copyright. Ganun pa din sa other copyright, may article and paragraph and withholding rate pa din. Piliin din natin ang Article 13 and Paragraph 2A and withholding rate 15% reduced. Pag nagawa na, huwag ulit kalilimutang i-check yung box saka tayo mag-next para sa susunod na process ang document review number 4. Then, let's proceed to the number 4, ang document review. May 4 na klase ng forms. Ang motion picture and TV, ang other copyright, services, and default.
You are watching this video now. Like and subscribe to this channel or you will have a bad conscience for 3 years.
Then, i-check natin itong box na I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct, and complete. Papansin nyo at the right side, meron ditong form. I-click natin itong form. Pwede rin natin itong i-download. At ito ang W8BEN form. Then after that, press next. Ang ilalagay natin dito is ang ating signature, ang ating full name. At kung ikaw talaga to, i-click mo ang yes, I am the person listed. Kapag okay na, is mag-next na tayo. And let's proceed to the number 6, ang activities and service performed in US and affidavit. My question dito, has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within US? Click no. And then let's proceed to the status change affidavit. May question diyan na are you providing tax info for a new existing payments profile that has not received payments or an existing payments profile that has previously received payments? Sagot natin dyan is I am providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that has not received payments. Then after is i-submit na natin for the result. At heto na ang pinakahihintay natin, ang 15% reduce rate. Na-claim na natin lahat. Then, i-check natin ang ating email kung may na-receive tayong email galing kay Google Payments. Heto na nga, meron na tayo na-receive. At buksan natin, your tax information has been approved. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Gawin mo na din sa iyong account para nang sa ganon mabawasan ang deduction sa iyo ni YouTube. Maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope you learn a lot. Huwag mong kalilimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko para naman ganahan lalo akong gumawa ng mga video.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell for notifications of new videos. See you next time. Ciao.